Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the mesmerizing sari fashion choices of Anne Sindhu Joni. The beauty is often seen gracing special occasions draped in opulent Kanjivaram saris. These saris, known for their rich silk fabric and intricate golden zari work, exude elegance and grace. Whether attending a wedding or a cultural event, she radiates timeless charm in her choice of Kanjivaram saris. Embracing the cultural heritage of India, she also adorns herself in luxurious Banarasi saris. These saris, characterized by their intricate weaving and lavish motifs, are a symbol of sophistication and tradition. Her selection of Banarasi saris reflects her appreciation for craftsmanship and artistic excellence. While she cherishes traditional saris, Anne Sindhu also embraces contemporary styles with panache. She effortlessly blends modern aesthetics with traditional attire, opting for saris crafted from unconventional fabrics or adorned with contemporary embellishments. Her fusion sari ensembles exude a sense of innovation and style. With a penchant for promoting indigenous craftsmanship, the beauty often chooses handloom saris that showcase the rich heritage of India's weaving traditions. Whether it's a vibrant Chanderi sari or an understated linen sari, she celebrates the artistry of skilled weavers through her fashion choices. Recognizing the allure of silk saris, Sindhu Joni curates a collection of statement pieces that command attention. From vibrant colors to bold motifs, her silk saris make a striking impression at any event. She effortlessly carries off these regal ensembles with poise and confidence. In addition to grandeur, the beauty also appreciates the beauty of simplicity. She often opts for saris with minimalist designs and subtle embellishments, allowing the fabric's texture and drape to take center stage. Her minimalist sari choices showcase her understated yet refined sense of style. Her wardrobe serves as a homage to India's cultural diversity, with each sari telling a story of heritage and artistry. With a keen eye for timeless elegance, Anne Sindhu Joni occasionally indulges in vintage saris that evoke nostalgia and charm. These saris, passed down through generations or sourced from vintage collections, carry a sense of history and heritage. Whether it's a delicate chikankari sari or a classic Jamdani weave, she breathes new life into these vintage treasures with her impeccable styling. Supporting artisanal craftsmanship is a cornerstone of Sindhu Joni's fashion ethos. She seeks out saris crafted by skilled artisans, such as intricate bandhani tie-dye saris or hand-painted kalamkari saris. Each piece reflects the labor-intensive techniques and cultural significance embedded in Indian textile traditions. By championing artisanal saris, she not only promotes sustainable fashion but also preserves age-old craftsmanship for future generations. Drawing inspiration from the natural world, the beauty incorporates saris adorned with floral motifs, leaf patterns, and other elements inspired by nature. Whether it's a serene floral print sari or a vibrant botanical-inspired design, her nature-inspired saris exude a sense of freshness and vitality. These saris are a tribute to the beauty of the world around us, capturing the essence of springtime blooms or the lush foliage of the tropics. Embracing the resurgence of ethnic fashion, she explores saris that celebrate India's diverse cultural heritage. She seeks out saris featuring tribal prints, indigenous embroidery techniques, and traditional motifs rooted in tribal art forms. These saris not only make a bold fashion statement but also serve as a testament to the resilience and creativity of India's tribal communities. For special occasions, the beauty often collaborates with renowned designers to create custom Kachua saris that are truly one of a kind. These bespoke creations feature intricate embroidery, innovative drapes, and luxurious fabrics tailored to her unique preferences. From red carpet events to gala dinners, her custom Kachua saris ensure she stands out as a fashion icon, setting trends and inspiring admirers with her sartorial choices. Blending Indian aesthetics with global influences, Sindhu explores saris that reflect a fusion of cultures and styles. Whether it's incorporating elements of Western fashion, such as metallic accents or geometric patterns, or infusing saris with elements of international Kachua, she embraces a cosmopolitan approach to sari fashion. Her global fusion saris resonate with a modern audience while honoring the timeless appeal of Indian attire. With a commitment to preserving India's textile heritage, the beauty actively supports initiatives that revive traditional weaving techniques and endangered crafts. She collaborates with artisan communities, promotes sustainable practices, and raises awareness about the importance of preserving India's cultural legacy. Sindhu Joni's sari fashion choices adapt with the seasons, reflecting the mood and colors of each time of year. In the vibrant hues of spring, she gravitates towards pastel shades and floral prints, embodying the spirit of renewal and growth. During the warmth of summer, she opts for lightweight fabrics like cotton and chiffon, embracing airy drapes and breezy silhouettes. As autumn arrives, her sari palette transitions to earthy tones and rich textures, echoing the changing landscapes. And in the midst of winter, she wraps herself in the warmth of luxurious fabrics like velvet and brocade, adding layers and intricacies to her ensembles. Known for her influence in the fashion industry, the beauty often collaborates with fellow celebrities and designers to create exclusive sari collections. These collaborations result in limited edition saris that blend her signature style with the creative vision of her collaborators. Whether it's partnering with a Bollywood actress to launch a glamorous sari line or collaborating with a renowned designer to reinvent traditional weaves, her celebrity collaborations bring a fresh perspective to sari fashion and captivate audiences worldwide. Embracing the digital age, Ann Sindhu explores saris adorned with digital prints and innovative designs. These saris feature intricate digital artwork, vibrant colors, and intricate patterns inspired by technology and modern art. From pixelated motifs to abstract compositions, her digital saris redefine traditional aesthetics for the digital generation, appealing to fashion-forward individuals who appreciate the intersection of art and technology. Beyond aesthetics, the beauty uses sari fashion as a tool for empowerment and self-expression. She champions saris that support social causes, such as sustainable fashion initiatives, women's empowerment projects, and artisan cooperatives. By wearing saris that embody values of inclusivity, sustainability, and empowerment, she encourages others to use fashion as a platform for positive change and social impact. Amidst ever-changing trends, her sari wardrobe includes timeless classics that transcend fleeting fashion fads. These saris, characterized by their timeless elegance and enduring appeal, serve as timeless investments in her wardrobe. Whether it's a crisp white linen sari, a sleek black silk sari, or a versatile neutral chiffon sari, these classics never go out of style and serve as reliable staples for any occasion. Elevating sari styling to an art form, the actress experiments with creative draping techniques that add drama and flair to her ensembles. From intricate pleats to avant-garde knots and twists, she transforms the traditional sari drape into a canvas for artistic expression. Her innovative draping styles showcase her mastery of sari craftsmanship and her ability to push the boundaries of conventional fashion. Adding a personal touch to her sari ensembles, the actress often incorporates custom embellishments and accessories that reflect her individual style. The actress embraces saris that celebrate cultural crossovers, incorporating elements from diverse cultures and traditions. She explores saris adorned with motifs and patterns inspired by global cultures, such as Japanese florals, African prints, or Moroccan geometrics. By integrating these cultural influences into her sari ensembles, she fosters a sense of cultural exchange and appreciation, creating unique and visually captivating looks that transcend geographical boundaries. With a deep appreciation for heritage craftsmanship, Ann Sindhu treasures saris passed down through generations as family heirlooms. These heirloom saris carry sentimental value and historical significance, embodying the legacy of her ancestors. Whether it's a vintage silk sari worn by her grandmother or an antique Banarasi sari with intricate gold embroidery, these cherished heirlooms evoke memories of the past while adding a touch of nostalgia to her wardrobe. Committed to sustainable fashion practices, the beauty explores saris crafted from eco-friendly materials and produced through ethical manufacturing processes. She seeks out saris made from organic cotton, hand-woven bamboo silk, or recycled fabrics, supporting eco-conscious brands and artisans. By prioritizing sustainability in her sari choices, she advocates for a more environmentally friendly approach to fashion and sets an example for conscious consumption in the industry. Embracing the simplicity of monochrome palettes, the beauty elevates sari fashion with striking black and white ensembles. These monochrome saris exude sophistication and understated elegance, featuring intricate patterns, textured weaves, or contrasting borders to create visual interest. Whether it's a timeless black silk sari with white embroidery or a crisp white linen sari with black detailing, her monochrome sari choices make a bold yet timeless statement. The beauty infuses her sari wardrobe with seasonal themes, capturing the essence of each season through her choice of fabrics, colors, and motifs. In spring, she embraces floral prints and pastel hues that symbolize renewal and blossoming beauty. Summer sees her draped in lightweight fabrics like chiffon and georgette, adorned with vibrant colors and tropical motifs. Autumn inspires saris in warm earth tones and rich textures, reminiscent of falling leaves and cozy evenings. And winter invites saris in plush fabrics like velvet and brocade, embellished with metallic accents and intricate embroidery that evoke the festive spirit. In her commitment to promoting artisanal craftsmanship, the actress collaborates directly with traditional artisans and weaver communities to co-create unique sari designs. These collaborations empower artisans to showcase their skills and preserve traditional techniques, while also providing them with fair compensation and recognition for their work. From block-printed saris crafted by rural artisans to hand-woven textiles produced by tribal communities, her artisanal collaborations celebrate the rich diversity of India's artisanal heritage and support sustainable livelihoods in rural regions. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.